Here it is, day 2 at Energylandia. Let's go. If you missed part 1, go now, watch it, then come back here. Let's get started with part 2. Today, our focus was doing all of the rides that we didn't manage to get on yesterday. First up, Formula.
Formula hits its maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds. We had to see it for ourselves.
First ride done, the Formula. I really liked it.
What's very nice is that everybody always runs to Zadra and runs to Hyperion, which meant we were the first people in line of the first ride of the day, sitting at the front. Nice and easy, nice and chill.
That's a good start. Good start of the day.
Listen to us for these tips.
Our next stop of the day was the Aztec Swing, which I let Asha fly solo. Literally. This ride I have mixed feelings about. On the one hand, it's a really nice kids ride. On the other hand, it's just horrible to pronounce.
Try to pronounce it.
Śmierdzielki?
Almost, it's Śmierdzielki.
Well, that's what I said.
That's the 4 rides that we didn't manage to do yesterday, done in 1 hour. Now that there's a few more people starting to come and the queues are starting to get a bit longer, we're getting out of here and heading for the water park. There's going to be no queues for any slide. Here we go.
As predicted, there was absolutely nobody else inside the water park.
Yeah, because it was freezing, what do you think?
Yeah, well, the water is nice and warm, so it wasn't too bad.
No, I was okay staying in the water, but going outside was, no.
Make sure you wrap up warm and take a towel in between the slides.
I just finished the water slide. Troy's still going. But I came here to pick up the camera to record him. I just heard him screaming. The ride that Troy just did, people wait for 2 hours to do it in high season. I mean, I know that, but in the same time, it's like, we just did it in 3 seconds. And Troy did it twice, back to back. Troy's taking this one for the team. The whole water park done in less than an hour. And now it's time to get ourselves dry, warm, coffee, and maybe some other treats.
Why the devil not? To Sweetland!
Hey, my English boyfriend, what about some tea?
Oh no.
Yesterday car, today a tractor.
Wow,
this park are really nice.
Then it was off to the theatre to have a look at one of the many acrobatic shows.
For our last few hours in Energylandia, we made sure that we went on every ride in the park.
When we went to Hyperion the first time, we didn't manage to get our photo because our faces both look like this. So we're going back to do it one more time right now so that we can take a nice photo. Our photo on Hyperion sucked, so now we're going to try and do Formula again for a better photo. The photo that we did a ride just to have a photo of. That was part 2 of our full day vlog at Energylandia. In the next few weeks, you'll find all of the POVs of the rides. But for now, it's time to say do widzenia.